all about STDFarms. We are the best, guys.
Hello, I know it's been another weekend and you are waiting for our weekly video. Once again, welcome back to this channel. And if you haven't subscribed, or if today is your first time coming across our video, like, share and comment on our video so other people may learn from us as well. We are expanding our farm because a lot of things happening in our farm. A lot of the sheep are giving birth, so we want to make a place for them to feel at home. We want them to feel in their comfort zone. So we plan to cut off some trees out there and start making some pet for the newborn babies. And as you know, if things are going on well with you, you should have a plan B by opening and expanding the farm, and also a place by which they can go on free range. So today we working a little and we decided to bring up the videos for you people to see what's going on in our farm. Keep enjoying these videos.
Yeah, you see a lot of trees are going down, but hey, this is not deforestation. Okay, we are just making sure we clear the land for our animals to get free space for movement. Yes, that's what we are doing today at the farm. A lot of trees here that needs to go down so that we can have a lot of the animals can have a lot of freedom of movement around here at the farm. It's all about STD farm, and I promise to be taking you guys around the land, for you guys to see some of the work that is going on now. Yes, I'm here with the workers and some of my friends to help around. So as you can see, we are taking down some trees, but I promise to give you guys some more videos after some trees are down. We initially planned bringing a machine, but we just feel like doing some more power today. So it's fun being yeah on a break. Gang.
STDFarms, keep subscribing.
You can see the animals are out to graze. Yeah, they are grazing. So this is the reason why we want the land to be clear for them, so that they can have free will.
We're happily working out here, man.
Yeah. So our STD. Yeah, you can see some of the animals out here grazing.
We're happily working out here.
Hey, see this, my brother. Oh. Your first time of coming to the farm, or there you are dismantling everything like that. Hey, this year, if I bring you here, the next week there, you will finish everything. Yeah, I think we are done for the day, and we gotta call it a very lovely weekend. Yeah, all the animals are outside grazing. As you can see, the pen is empty, and they are far out on the land grazing down there. I don't know if you can see, but I'm trying to draw the video closer for you guys to see. This is the reason why we want to cut down all the trees at the side, so that the animals can have free way of movement. Yeah, we are here today to do some little work with the family. Yeah, it has been a lovely day so far, and we want to call it a day. Thank you so much, you guys, for following and keeping on all the love and support. We really appreciate it.
I promise you guys, you're going to get more videos coming your way. Make sure you subscribe and love the channel. It's all about STDFarms. We